Let's be honest, preparing evidence for a legal case can feel like you're drowning in a sea of digital chaos. But what if you could take all that mess and turn it into a professional, judge-ready packet in just a few minutes? Well, that's the promise of CasePack, and today we're going to break down exactly how it works. You know how it starts. Your phone is just full of them, dozens, maybe even hundreds of screenshots. Every single one is a critical piece of your story, but right now, they're just a completely chaotic jumble of files. And then, the conversations. Ugh, the conversations. You've got endless threads of text messages, WhatsApp chats, and long email chains. Trying to piece together a coherent story from all of that, it feels next to impossible. And to top it all off, the documents. I've got PDFs, Word files, and scanned papers scattered across who knows how many different folders. Just thinking about the disorganization is enough to give you a headache. So, that leads to the big question, right? How do you take all of that digital noise, all that chaos, and somehow organize it into a clear, professional, and convincing case packet that a judge can actually follow? Well, this is exactly where CasePack comes in. Think of it as your AI-assisted partner, designed specifically to solve this exact problem. It turns what used to be hours of stressful work into a simple, automated process. Let's just compare the two paths for a second. On one hand, you have the old manual way. Hours upon hours of sorting, a really high risk of making a mistake, and just overwhelming stress. On the other hand, you have the CasePack way. The AI processes your files in minutes, its accuracy is top-notch, and you get to walk away with total confidence. The difference is absolutely night and day. So how does it actually do it? Well, the entire powerful process boils down to just 4 incredibly simple steps. It all starts with a simple drag and drop. You just upload your files securely. Then, this is where the magic happens. CasePack's AI reads everything. It uses natural language processing to spot dates, names, and key facts to automatically build a timeline for you. After that, you get to review it, make any little edits you need to, and finally, you just hit download. And boom, your perfectly organized packet is ready to go. It is that straightforward. So, after that super simple process, what do you actually walk away with? Let's take a look at the final judge-ready output. You get the whole shebang, a complete professional packet that includes a perfectly chronological event timeline, a numbered exhibit bundle so every piece of evidence is accounted for, a detailed index to find things in a snap, and a neutral, factual summary of events. It's literally everything you need formatted and ready for court. Okay. Now let's talk about something that's absolutely crucial when you're dealing with sensitive legal documents: trust. We need to cover security, privacy, and legal compliance because for many of you, this is the most important part. So how do you know your data is safe? Well, it's completely locked down. Everything is protected with end-to-end encryption. For your privacy, and this is a big one, all your files are automatically and permanently deleted after 30 days. Poof, gone. The system even maintains a full audit trail, giving you a clear record of every single action taken on your account. Now, this is really important to understand. CasePack is UPL compliant. What that means is it's designed to avoid the unauthorized practice of law. In simple terms, CasePack is a document organization tool. It is not a law firm. It won't give you legal advice or strategy. It just takes your facts and organizes them into timelines and neutral summaries. That's what keeps both you and the tool on the right side of the law. So who is this actually built for? Well, the core mission is really to broaden access to justice for the people who often need it the most. It's specifically designed for people representing themselves, in situations like family law or small claims cases. It's also a total game changer for small law firms that need to get organized fast without bogging down their paralegals. And it's perfect for legal aid clinics working to support their clients as efficiently as possible. A huge part of increasing access to justice is making sure it's actually affordable. So let's talk about the price. So here's the bottom line. You can get a basic case packet, which can handle up to 50 files, for just $29. This puts professional-grade document preparation within reach for pretty much anyone. And that brings us to the final takeaway. Preparing for court doesn't have to be this overwhelming, stressful, and chaotic experience. The real question is, are you ready to trade all those hours of anxiety for just a few minutes of AI-powered clarity?